Okay. In the previous class, we have taken y is equal to sin x graph, y is equal to cosecant x graph, then y is equal to cos x graph, and y is equal to secant x graph. Correct? No problem regarding this. Any problem, guys? No problem. Today we will have a clear diagram of tan x and cot x. This is very important graph. All the graphs are important only. Sir, every class you are saying important. All are important. All ध्यान दे दिया. You got answer correct? Very nice. Y equal to tan x, y equal to cot x. Y equal to tan x, y equal to cot x. What may be the domain for this? Yeah. What may be the domain? This is sin x divided by cos x, correct? Denominator should not be equal to 0, isn't it? Denominator should not be equal to 0 and x should not be equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Is it okay? Odd multiple of pi by 2 ಹಾಕಬಾರದಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ರೈಟ್? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ನಾನು ಡೊಮೇನ್ ಏನು ಬರೀಬಹುದು? ಡೊಮೇನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ is equal to ಏನು ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಹಾಕಿ, but at any condition you don't take odd multiple of pi by 2. n belongs to integer. N belongs to integer. Is it okay? Is it okay, guys? Range ಬನ್ನಿ. ರೇಂಜ್ ಏನಾಗಬಹುದು? ಭಾರಿ ಮಜಾ ಉಂಟಾ? ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಬಡಿಗಳು ರೇಂಜ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ನಾವು ಆಡ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ pi by 2 ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಒಂದ್ ವೇಳೆ 90 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು? 90 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ಫೈನೈಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? when x is equal to 0, when x is equal to 0, what is tan 0? 0 divided by 0. So numerator is 0, denominator number. When x is equal to 0, tan 0 is 0. Correct? When x is equal to 30, when x is equal to 30, 30 is 1 by 2, denominator root 3 by 2, 2 cancel, so which is 1 by root 3, correct? Is it okay? Correct? There is no pattern you will get. When x is equal to 45, this is 1. When x is equal to root 3 by, when x is equal to 60, this is root 3. Correct? When x is equal to 90, it is not defined. 90 we cannot take. Okay? Now, see the idea, guys. 0 we got, 1 we got, more than 1 we got. There is no pattern over here. ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಬರ್ಬೋದು, but you don't take minus infinity. Did you get this? Any number you will get, range ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. You will not get this, you will never get this, just because we are not replacing these values. Clear picture it is? So range is set of all real numbers, correct? This set of all real numbers can be written like this: minus infinity to infinity. ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ ಆಯ್ತಾ? infinity ಬರಲಿ ಚಾನ್ಸೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ? ನಾವು ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Is it okay? Done. This is my x and it is my y, correct ಅಲ್ಲ? This is my 0, pi ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, pi by 2 ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ಚಂದ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಗ್ರಾಫ್. pi by 2 ದೊಡ್ಡ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. pi by 2, 3 pi by 2. Is it okay? Gap should be same, huh? Gap should be same. This is 5 pi by 2, correct? Is it okay? ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ ನಾವು ಹಂಗೆ ಬಂದು ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ This is pi, it is 2 pi, middle pi by 2, middle 3 pi by 2, okay? Hingaru okay? This is minus pi and it is minus 2 pi, correct? Middle minus pi by 2, middle minus 3 pi by 2, correct? ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ? Odd multiple of pi by 2 ದಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಬರಲಿ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, correct? There is no chance to get the graph. Is it okay? When x is equal to 0, what is tan 0? 0. When x is equal to 30, 1 by root 3, 1 ಚೂರು ಮೇಲಲ್ಲ. When x is equal to 45, when x is equal to this. As you take near to pi by 2 values, ಈ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಕಡೆಗೆ. When x is equal to this side, minus 30. When x is equal to minus 30, minus 1 by root 3. ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ? ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. If you join this, look at the beauty, guys. Look at this. Ulta, yes. Like this you will get. Is it okay? Any problem with this? Is it okay, guys? Done. Like this, you can see range is infinity. See it going. Y values is going. Range any number you can get. Why that is very clear, right? Then go for pi. Pi the ಏನು ಆಯ್ತು ಈಗ? Like this you will get. Graph function okay. Like this you will get. ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಎಡದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ. This is the graph of tan x. Okay, then can we go for the cot x? ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡು cot x. Okay, cot x ಬನ್ನಿ. cot x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? cos x divided by sin x. ಇವತ್ತಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಸುಮಾರು ಡೌಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಡೌಟ್ ಇತ್ತಾ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅವತ್ತೆ ನಾನು ಡೌಟ್ ಇತ್ತು. Maybe because of YouTube class we are getting doubt. Difference no. YouTube class versus offline class. You are representing offline classes. They are representing online classes. Offline versus online. See the difference. Cot x, cos x divided by sin x, correct? Sin x should not be equal to 0. Correct alla? Sin x should not be equal to 0. X should not be equal to n pi. Is it okay? Domain is any real number I can replace, but any condition you don't take this. Is it okay? Any x belongs to range of function is बताइए अंदर बेजार आएगा बताइए अंदर बेजार आएगा सर नमಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ ಬೇಜಾರ ಗೊತ್ತಷ್ಟೇ ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಓಕೆ is it okay same tan x ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ cot x ಅದೇ ಬರುತ್ತಾ you draw the graph this is my x and it is my y is it okay this is my 0 this is pi this is 2 pi this is 3 pi this is minus pi and it is minus 2 pi correct ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ
pi
what about this ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಏನು ನೀವು ಅವಸರ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ 0 ದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ pi ದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ 2 pi ದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ 3 pi ದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಓಕೆ ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ 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 is it okay done ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ ಓಕೆ so what is pi by 2 this is pi by 2 with negative sign this is pi by 2 with positive sign correct when x is equal to 0 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ when x is equal to pi by 2 ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ when x is equal to pi by 2 cot pi by 2 is 0 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ 30 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ 30 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ pi by 2 ಗೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ 45 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ 45 1 ಬಂತಲ್ಲ 30 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ರೂಟ್ 3 ಒಂದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐಡಿಯಾ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಸ್ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಆರಾಮ್ಸೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಂಡು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 pi by 2 ಅಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬಂತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 pi by 2 ಅಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬಂತು Is it okay? Clear it is. Boys, enjoying? So clear, guys? So clear, any problem? Full problem? Clear it is? Done? So, this completes all the graph. One example. ಅಡಿಗೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕಾಣ ಸೊ ಇದು ಓಕೆ cos x is equal to minus 3 by 5 x lies in third quadrant find the values of other trigonometric functions correct alla find the values of other trigonometric functions for this. Either you can understand this concept by the diagram or by the identities. Both are one and the same. Here cos x is equal to minus 3 by 5, correct? You need to find out sin x, you need to find out tan x, you need to find out cot x, secant x or. Is it okay? Okay. Sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. Then I will go for the right triangle. SLC method आमेल होता है क्या? You need to get sin square x. Sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos square x. So sin square x is equal to square root of 1 minus 3 by 5 square. Is it okay? So this is sin square x is equal to square root of 1 minus 9 divided by 25.